Hello there and welcome. So in this practice you need a bolster. You can also use some firm pillows. You need a blanket and a block. If you don't have a block, you can use a thicker pillow. So let's begin in a seated position. So come and sit either onto a cushion or a blanket. So find a comfortable seat. So let's just take a moment here to land. Close your eyes. And notice how you feel. Notice your breathing. Feel the body parts that are touching the ground. Relax your shoulders and your mouth. Relax the muscles in your face. Now from here, grab your knees and then round your spine. Really soften your chest back. And then lift your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades together. And then again, round, relax your neck. And then lift your chest, lengthen, open. A few more in your own rhythm. So really connect to your breath. Feel the sensations here in your spine. Now come back to center and begin to sway your torso from side to side. It's like you're going to lead the movement with your side rib cage. So it's very gentle and fluid. Think of seaweed in the water as you move here. Can you relax your shoulders and your mouth? Now from here, circle your torso in one direction. So if it feels better, you can do very, very small circles or a little bit bigger, depending on how you feel in your back, in your hips. So become more and more present to yourself and to your body. Now go ahead and circle the torso in the other direction. Breathing in and breathing out. Allow your breathing to slow down and let everything slow down. And then come back to center. Now from here, you're going to extend the legs out in front of you. Just bend the knees a little bit and then drop your knees out to the sides, soles of your feet together, and then around forward. No pulling or pushing. Relax your arms, your shoulders, relax your neck. And then very slowly roll your spine up. And shake your legs out. And from here, we're going to set up for our restorative pose. So you're going to grab first your block or a little thicker pillow. I'm going to place that onto the ground, onto your yoga mat or the floor. And then take your bolster and place it on top of the pillow or block. And then take your blanket and roll your blanket up into a firm tube. You're going to place the blanket under your knees. Now, before you lie down, make sure your lower back is in contact with the bolster. And then when you're ready, come to lie back. Of course, if you want to, you can put some extra layers on, maybe have an extra blanket over your body. And then make your final adjustments here to become really comfortable. And close your eyes. So this is a time for you to just rest. No one needs you right now. And you don't have to do anything. Relax your feet and your hands. And feel the weight of your legs. Feel the weight of your arms. Let your whole back yield into its support. And check in with your neck and your throat. Can you soften a little bit more around your neck and your throat? Relax your mouth and imagine your eyes sinking back and down. Now deepen your breath. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Go ahead and bend your knees and place your feet onto the ground. And then slowly and gently roll yourself up. And then from here, find a comfortable seat. And just take a moment and notice how you feel now. Now inhale and reach your arms out to the sides, and then wrap the arms around you and drop your head. And thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful day.